Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying Chrome is up to date and turning on developer mode. This lets you load unpacked extensions. Next, make sure the extension folder contains manifest. JSON plus icons and scripts. Missing files break the build. Once done, open Chrome, / extensions and click Load Unpacked, then choose the folder. You're doing this to create a working, testable copy. Make sure paths in manifest are correct, so Chrome can register background scripts and permissions immediately. Once your unpacked extension works, package it for sharing. Chrome's pack extension creates a CRX and a private key which you should store securely. Alternatively, zip the folder and add a concise README with install steps and required permissions. Decide how you'll distribute, a direct CRX for small groups, the Chrome Web Store for public reach, or enterprise policy for managed installs. Make this choice based on audience trust, update needs, and security considerations. Each route changes how users receive updates. You finish by delivering the package and guiding users through install steps. Tell them to enable developer mode for local CRX or to use your web store link for automatic updates. Make sure the CRX was signed with the correct key. Reusing the key preserves the extension ID for seamless updates. If something fails, check the extension console for errors, confirm manifest permissions, and validate content script paths. These are the most common causes of broken behavior, so inspect them first.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.